so like it's afternoon. James is over there in the vlog. Hot vlog. It's like the hot sun of something. Gonna soul skate. And he gonna teach you how to soul skate. Yeah. Can you teach the viewers how to soul skate?
Yes. Now put your feet here. Just balance. And your right leg. Just put it here.
Come on.
Yeah.
We're gonna rock challenge.
And ready.
We're gonna skate straight. Going into the school. My classmates are. We're gonna prank them. Join the Minecraft thingy.
Minecraft PP.
You pop up. There's a wheel. Wheel. I'm so tired because I run so fast or something. Why do we don't have any umbrella? Did you see us? It's so funny with that vlog. Ooh. What is this? What is that? We're gonna rock challenge. We're gonna rock challenge. Just kidding. Again. No. Almost. Actually, we're not almost. We're too far. Let's go faster. They're supposed to be not there, I think. So let's get. We're gonna rock challenge. Let's go faster. Let's go run. Oh, not fun. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Yes. Oh no. I say yes because the clouds was the sun was covered by clouds. Yes, look. And again, we're almost. And again, almost from the way. We're gonna right turn and we're there. Hopefully that we are here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! We love you so much.